Hi guys, today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to our home screen on your Lenovo Tab E10. To do that, in the first step, we must navigate to the Google Chrome, where we have a website which we want to add to our home screen. In my case, it's HardReset.Info website. And when we're on it, we press three dots on the right corner and go to the Add to Home screen. Now we can change the name of our shortcut icon, and after that we confirm all by Add, and again Add automatically. And that's all. We have our shortcut icon on our home screen, right there. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.